go. Here we go. We have a 2970 over here on the ARCA 5. Close at 2568. You probably gap up on the open above 3055 and then run toward the 52-week high. But let me tell you about biotech. I've been involved with biotech all of my life when it comes to investing and trading. And I'm 51 years old. And this particular company was a company that goes back into the 90s, and they have made some very, very, very pioneering effects moving forward. When I say pioneering, I mean that the approval that we just got from the FDA for Benlysta is it's an approval. And the thing about that approval is there hasn't been an approval for 56 years. Now, the thing about it is people are going to say, on one hand, well, gee, the drug is only worth that, or the African American community has had a problem. Hey, forget about all that. This goes way beyond the lupus people. They have their victory. It's their day today. So outside of what Wall Street does, as they always try to manipulate the bears that have been short, they're trapped now. And stockmarketfunding.com has been covering this one because one of the things that we appreciate the most about our investing and trading throughout our lifetime and career is that we look for the bright spots in the world. That's what we like. This happens to be one of them. So outside of the Wall Street tape, they'll probably gap it up above 30.5, and then they'll run it up toward the 52-week highs of 34.40 and whatnot. And then all the people who doubted it, because they had their doubts, they made their opinions, they made their conclusions, and then they went out on the internet and just started putting it everywhere through the whole process of what this company has done over its last 15 years. 15 years of hard work. That's not to be discounted. And we're going to let that be known. Right now, at 2:47 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3/9/2011. And the thing about it is, we hope that the biotech industry can come forward with many more developments, such as HGSI Human Genome Sciences. Blockbuster. We've covered the company well over a decade. Because we have. And there were times that we have shorted Human Genome Sciences ourselves when, early on in their career, when they were, through a lot of trials and tribulations. And, these things take a long time. Because now what's going to be good is the distribution channels are going to come into play. They don't have to market this drug like other biotech companies. Nor does GlaxoSmithKline have a hard time. They don't have to spend excessive $1 million with this kind of treatment. It speaks for itself. The accomplishments speak for themselves as well. Let us not forget that part of it. So today, on behalf of the Lupus Foundation within the United States and lupus around the world, is that Human Genome Sciences has delivered the very first marketable treatment phase in lupus. However, moving forward, as we understand very clearly that there will be, modifications and changes and things of this pure nature, perfecting these treatments. Not only that, there are many other exciting new areas that the HGS technologies, that's their processes that they own and patent and have intellectual property rights, the whole thing. And the thing about it is, it works in lots of different immune systems and the DNA code in humanity. So we're in the 21st century, in my view, in the biotech industry, is a major turning point in medicine. And whatever Wall Street wants to do about it, they can do that with the price print. But one thing that stockmarketfunding.com always believes in is the truth. And we'll leave it at that.